traders, and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, February 17th, 2026. We are looking at the economic calendar for today. So what do we have here? Overnight data, only the RBA meeting minutes has been published deep in the night. Then we have the bunch of data from the UK. Average earning index down from 4.7 to 4.2. Climate count change up from 17.9 thousand to 28.6 thousand. Employment change down to 52,000. And unemployment rate up from 5.1 to 5.2 as expected. German CPI at the steady level of 0.1%. Labor productivity data are scheduled for release at 10:30. These data are of course from the UK. At 11 o'clock we got a bunch of data from the Germany. Current conditions and economic sentiment data are scheduled for release together with the data from the Eurozone, economic sentiment and Eurogroup meetings. Core CPI and CPI data from Canada are scheduled for release at 2:30, together with the foreign and security purchases and wholesale sales. At the same time, we got the New York Empire State Manufacturing Index data release, and then we got the Global Daily Trade Price Index from the New Zealand, scheduled for release at 4 o'clock. German Buba Maudir will give a speech at 5:30. At 7 o'clock, we got German Buba Balz to give a speech. At 8:30, we got FOMC member Daly to give a speech, and at the end of the day, quarter to 11, we got PPI input from New Zealand. So nice day with pretty data releases from various economies during the London and US session. So everyone will find something useful for itself. Now, without any further ado, let's switch to the charts. We start with euro dollar. So the major forex pair euro dollar has been seen moving lower. It's now down towards 1.1829, so it broke below the technical support at 1.1841, and that means the momentum is down as well. We are trading below the 100 periods moving average, and the recent movement towards 1.1835 was basically made to test the range strength, the range situation. Right now this situation looks very sideways, basically, because this test might be completed with a nice movement to the upside. So please pay attention to the levels on the euro dollar. No decisive breakout just yet. After the data, cable moved lower. It broke below the technical support at 1.3587, local low 1.3551, and we are heading towards the low from the February 6th, located at 1.3507. So it looks like the situation on this market is rather interesting. Now we got this trend line here. As you can see, this trend line has been seen, has been tested at least almost three times. So that's the trend line that prevents the market to move higher above 100 periods moving average, above 1.3735 technical resistance, the nearest technical resistance. Momentum is negative 37 points only. It moved sharp lower after the data has been published, and the market is right now reacting to this data. So this is the data driven market for today. US dollar versus the Japanese yen is preparing to leave this consolidation here, as we've been trading inside of this consolidation for the last 2 weeks. Sorry, almost for the last week, obviously. However, it's still not a 100% certain decision that we will break this level here, 152.11, definitely once for good. For now, we just let's say moved back inside of the range, and the market, as you can see, has been trading like this with low volatility environment for quite some time right now. As I said, for almost 1 week. Momentum wise, we went up towards the level of 48, so the momentum went up. The market didn't went anywhere, so it looks like there is still a bearish pressure somewhere there lurking for that opportunity to to do the damage to the bulls. On the gold, we got ABC to the downside, uncompleted ABC to the downside. Right now, the market is starting to develop the wave C to the downside. We are below the level of 5,000, 4,900 and 4,858 is the today's low. So as you can see, the market is right now trying to develop any substantial movement to the downside. 4,660 is the nearest technical support. As long as we trade below this level here, wave B high 5,118, the outlook remains bearish as well. So we don't actually see any reason for the market to go above this level. Obviously, in the background there's an uptrend. Nevertheless, this movement to the downside here, it was impulsive. So right now the wave B might be completed and the market might be ready to move lower. S&P 500, nothing is going on here yet. Again, we are locked inside of the range. We are monitoring the range. Technical levels here, yesterday's high of 6,877, too low for the bulls because they need to break above 6,911. It looks like there is some sort of the bearish pressure, especially with this kind of the momentum. So we might see downside movement, downside breakout soon. Crude oil, what is going on with the crude oil? On a 4-hour time frame chart, we've been moving inside of this range. Right now, we are just trading around the 100 periods moving average. Please notice the 100 periods moving average. This blue line keeps moving higher, so it's rising 100 moving average. Nevertheless, the market still has a problem with this supply zone, and it's being rejected every time it gets towards $66-65 per barrel. The key technical support and the extreme low from the February 3rd is 61.11. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Bitcoin. And yet again, the Bitcoin volatility is surprising everyone because it's very, very low. Obviously, in the background, we got the downtrend, we got down move in the background, and it looks like there is there are some signs of the incoming bearish pressure, especially after the breakout higher above the $71,000 has been unsuccessful and the market reversed lower. For now, of course, this volatility is getting really low, but if the market will accelerate, we might see very dynamic and aggressive sell-off down towards $60,000. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.